forever. Corporations forever. Corporations forever. The profits keep us strong. Hey. When I say corporate, you say power. Corporate. Corporate. Yes, obey. Obey. Consume. Watch TV. Go outside only to work. Work. Consume. Breed. Breed more workers and people to die in our wars.
We need 4 more wars.
4 more wars. 4 more wars. Come on, we're already halfway there. 4 more wars. Look at all these people standing around doing nothing. You are all lazy bums.
Slobs.
Slobs. You're all slobs. And you should be working.
Woo! Bastards!
Get back to work. You are not too old to work. What is this retirement? Pension, what's that?
You can sleep when you die.
You can sleep when you're out.
You can sleep all you want when you're dead. How about that? Until then, work. Work for money and then consume. Show me what plutocracy looks like. Show me what plutocracy looks like.
You are what plutocracy looks like.
That's right. Whose house?
Your house.
Our house. We paid for it. Correction. Our money. You do not have money. You have debt. And you get stuff in exchange for that debt. Stuff that accrues more debt. Tools for your job, which is to work and then consume. Watch more TV. Read less books. It's okay. We'll be making less books, so that'll make the job easier. You need 4 cable channels? Okay. If you're willing to pay for it. It's okay, we'll take it out of your paychecks.
Okay.